All right, people, I got a great WYNN plan update here. But before I talk about the WYNN plan, I just want to talk quickly about what happened with Selgin and Baba. As you can see, people, if you were to compare Selgin and Baba, they did not confirm properly. Power trick or trade. I warned about this. Okay, and you see what happened in today's game. This is March 21. They lost their gains. Baba lost 2 days of gains. I explained it was a fake. Listen, what I demonstrated. Take note because this is powerful proof, people. What I'm demonstrating, okay? And I do this to empower my followers because what I'm seeing, believe me when I say, nobody can see what I'm seeing. And I'm talking about top pro. I don't care who they are. They cannot see. I am more correct than just about any pro there is out there when it comes to my plans. If someone is against my plan, they're most likely to be wrong. This is just a fact. I demonstrated this with Selgin, WYNN, and Baba this week. WYNN is the only stock that I said confirmed. I also defended WYNN, and look at it, held its gains today. Think about that carefully, people. Okay, let's get to the WYNN plan now. WYNN is set up to test 125 to 130 now. That's right, based on today's action. The April 21 115 calls could be used. I'm also going to be talking about the 120 calls. I'll show you why, people. The low end targets now are 120 to 121. Based on what happened today, these are low end targets if we can confirm. Remember, people, now, I can't stress this enough. This is a strong setup, but you know what? I don't trust any stock. I trust my visionary lines, my system, the most. They've proven to me over and over and over without a shadow of a doubt. And as I explained, the power trick or trade Shaya, there is still more. There is still tons to learn. The possibilities are endless. But what I do know, and what I do tell you people is that it's very powerful what I'm doing, and I have a powerful edge that no one else can see. Okay, it's something I developed. But anyways, people. Okay, so it's not, you cannot see these in the charts. What I see, trust me, I have an edge. I have an edge, and I demonstrated it this week between Selgin, Baba, and WYNN. Think about it. See the videos for yourself. Go see the Baba video, people. Go see the Selgin video, people. And go see the WYNN video, people. And see how correct I was on all three stocks. All of them. All right, people. Let's get to it. WYNN needs to break above 114.30 on some strong action volume. Good action volume is 600K on a 10-minute chart. Now, it's the same process, people, especially in this case. WYNN needs to show us the power still, okay? This stock works the best with volume. And if we don't get the volume through 114.30, we're going to need to see basing and a power push through 115, 115.50, 116. It really doesn't matter. You don't, if the confirmation is correct, this stock's going to fly. So, we need power and strength. And again, I will make updates on a WYNN, on power trick or trade. So watch out for that. That's why, people, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to, because it's very clean to see all the things. But you want to also be following me on StockTwits on Twitter for quick updates that I cannot make in videos. Videos here are detailed plans for you to listen to my voice, for you to see what I'm saying and understand and communicate with you in a way I cannot communicate just simply making these charts. All right, let's take a look at and I care a lot about what I say and post here, people. Okay, that's another thing. What I do, I put a lot of heart and care into this. Okay, no jokes aside here. All right, people, we're here at the Yahoo Finance board. 1 second here. The Yahoo board is giving incorrect, but it closed at 111.75. You see, it's changing. Let me show you, people, when one quick, I'm going to show you, this is incorrect quoting. This is for March, by the way, this is for March 21. Let me refresh the page. There is some incorrect quotes coming in here. I don't know why. That's the correct close, 111.75. There it is, okay? It's just that something screwy is happening. You see how it changed? Okay, anyways, people. Let's take a look at the options. So, again, let me refresh this to see. You can see if it shows you. This is the correct close for WYNN, 111.75 for March 21. Let's go take a look at the options, people, for April 21. Okay, there's the correct close. There it is. That's what we want. 111.75. It's going crazy. See how it's going crazy. The prices for some reason. But anyways, on the charts, March 21, the close is 111.75. Let's take a look at the 115 calls now. So these are trading really good, but I want to show you something very interesting as well. But here's what interests me a lot here. You know those targets I was telling you? Well, you know, the market's very negative. Look at the open interest for these 120 calls. Quite a bit of open interest. Okay, now the charts are very bullish. It's not the only reason, but I'm saying that someone wanted to use the 120 April 21 calls. They're cheap to get into. They're also the spreads are tight here. Look at the way they traded this. So I like this action. So I'll be honest with you. If you want to use the 120s, you could. They're farther out, but WYNN makes huge moves. WYNN can make move $7. Those will go up a ton. And then if WYNN goes to go to any of the targets that I talk about, they're going to go up a ton anyways. They're going to go up a lot. You can make 200% in the 120, 300% still, even with the 120 calls. So keep this in mind now. And I mean, what service does these things and dwells into the detail of the options to the targets? Nobody does this shit, people. Nobody does it. But I want to be the best out there and help my followers make money. All right, people. So there you have it, people. We got to look for good confirmation. Listen to this video carefully. You know, people, if you haven't already, I suggest you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. It's a great way to see a lot of the plans and listen to my videos 24 hours a day. Listen to what I say. You're going to learn a lot, people. And believe me when I tell you, what I can see, no one can see. And I do this more accurately than just about anybody out there. When it comes to the big picture, I'm not about the daily fluctuations, people. It's more like the big picture. And I'm also not one to be a stickler. In other words, even when things do confirm, right, and they don't act correctly, we usually take small profits and move on. This is part of the process of the market, right? Nothing's 100%, but what I can assure you that if you have a strict plan, a good plan, and you're looking for proper breakouts, you're going to make money. You know, when I demonstrated one thing there were 3 breakouts that I was talking about. Celgene, BABA, and WYNN. WYNN was the only stock that I said confirmed properly, and it was the best holding. And we talked about it getting in at 106.75. The first targets was 112. What did we hit? We hit the first target. Above the first target, we had a high of 113.75. Okay, and I think the move was shortchanged. This is why I exited, because I saw there was an issue. No wonder the market was going to go be so negative today. That's why the stock. Listen. Things happen for a reason. I had a feeling that the breakout, something was stalling. This was the pullback was too much, but it was holding support. That's why I decided to exit the WYNN and create a new WYNN plan that hasn't confirmed. That's why we're looking at this new WYNN plan now, people. I adjust quickly, people. Power Trigger Trade. Okay, that's something that most pros do not do. I'm the one who talked about the WYNN plan better than just about anybody out there. Nobody said it like me. Nobody. And I assure you this. And nobody can. Anyways, that's beside this point. This is my system, people. And I demonstrate this for the benefit of you all. All right, people. If you haven't subscribed, see the Sound of Power Trigger Trade. Make sure you click on the button and subscribe. A lot of great features here. You've got my website, the YouTube, Twitter, a link here. It's all here for you. You get to see me here every day, people. Power Trigger Trade, that's me over here, people. I talk about fitness, the importance of being healthy, strong mind, strong body, people. I practice what I preach. And I put my heart and soul in these plans, people, because I want to be different. I want to be better than what's out there. I think a lot of these pros have horrible advice and are terrible. Thanks for listening. Like the video.